Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on your 8th generation Microsoft Surface laptop. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices on the sidebar and scroll down to Touchpad. Open this menu, and here you can change the sensitivity by adjusting the cursor speed. This way you will set the sensitivity for scrolling. And if you want to change the pressure sensitivity, you're gonna have to adjust the click sensitivity right here. As you can see, we have three different options. We have medium, light, and heavy. And we can also adjust the haptic click intensity and haptic signals intensity. And that's pretty much it. Besides, we can also change the tap sensitivity right here. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.